As an international student, you know that living in a new country can be expensive. Between tuition and rent, it seems like your bank account is always running low. However, there are ways to save money while you're living abroad. In this blog post, we will discuss some tips and tricks that will help you keep more cash in your pocket. Follow these tips and you will be able to afford those occasional trips home and still have money left over for fun. Number 10. Be smart with your food shopping. One of the biggest expenses for international students is food. If you're not careful, it's easy to blow all your money on eating out and buying convenience foods. To save money, try to cook most of your meals at home. This will require some planning and effort, but it's worth it in the long run. Meal prepping is a great way to make sure you always have something to eat without spending a lot of money. Another way to save money on food is to shop at local markets instead of supermarkets. Supermarkets tend to be more expensive, so by shopping at local markets, you can get the same food for a lower price. Number 9. Live within walking distance of your school. This may not be possible for everyone, but if you can manage it, you'll save a lot of money on transportation costs. If you have to take the bus or train to get to school, see if there are any discounts available for students. You can also save money by walking instead of taking a taxi or Uber. Not only is this cheaper, but it's also a great way to get some exercise. Number 8. Buy course books secondhand. You can find good deals on textbooks by looking for them secondhand. Check online marketplace websites or see if your campus has a bookstore where students can buy and sell used textbooks. You can also ask upperclassmen if they have any old books that they're willing to sell. You can also save money by renting textbooks instead of buying them. Many online textbook rental services offer free shipping both ways, so you won't have to pay extra for delivery. If you do end up buying a textbook, try to sell it back to the bookstore or online after you're done with it. Number 7. Sign up for an international student debit card. There are a few different debit cards that cater to international students. This is a great way to have your own bank account in the country you are studying in, and it also makes withdrawing money from ATM much easier. Be sure to do your research and compare fees though, as some cards can be quite expensive. Debit cards can also come with other benefits, such as discounts on flights and travel insurance. So if you're planning on doing any traveling while you're away from home, it might be worth looking into a card that offers these types of perks. Number 6. Get a job on campus. One of the best ways to save money as an international student is to get a job on campus. This can help you cover some of your living expenses and also give you spending money. There are usually a lot of part-time jobs available on campus, so make sure to check with your school's career center. Another option is to look for scholarships or grants that can help you with your expenses. If you have any tips on how to save money as an international student, please share them in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe us for more videos. Number 5. Learn how to incorporate money-saving tips into a budget. One of the best ways to save money as an international student is to create and stick to a budget. This may seem like a daunting task, but there are plenty of resources available to help you get started. Once you have a budget in place, make sure to stick to it. This may require some discipline, but it will be worth it in the long run. One money-saving tip that can help you stick to your budget is to find ways to incorporate money-saving tips into your daily routine. For example, pack a lunch instead of buying food at school or work, and opt for public transportation instead of renting. Number 4. Know when to book your flights. If you're looking to save money on your flights, then it's important to know when to book them. Typically, the cheapest time to fly is around 3 weeks before your departure date. However, if you have a specific airline or route in mind, it might be cheaper to book earlier or later than that. Flights can be a major cost for international students, but there are ways to save money if you know when to book. One way to save is to book your flights during the off-peak season. Traveling during the shoulder season or winter can often be cheaper than flying during the summer. Number 3. Utilize student discounts. Many stores offer student discounts with a valid student ID. For international students, some stores may accept an ID from your home country, Ask the store manager if they offer any type of student discount. Some restaurants also offer student discounts. For example, Chick-fil-A offers a free drink to students with a valid ID. If you are a student, be sure to ask about discounts at local businesses. You may be able to save money on food, transportation, and other expenses. Utilizing these discounts can help you stretch your budget further. Number 2. Take the time to find cost-effective insurance. Insurance can be a huge expense, so it is important to find a plan that fits your budget. There are many different types of insurance plans available, so take the time to compare rates and find the best deal. You may also be able to save money by combining your health and dental insurance plans. Some international students may be eligible for government-sponsored health insurance. Be sure to check with your school or the local consulate to see if you qualify. Number 1. Look for pocket-friendly entertainment options. There are a number of ways to have fun while sticking to a budget. One option is checking out free or low-cost entertainment options in your area. Museums, parks, and outdoor concerts can be great ways to enjoy yourself without spending too much money. Another option is finding affordable ways to have fun. Many cities have free walking tours or discount passes for a variety of activities. Doing a bit of research in advance can help you find great deals on things like movie tickets, theater shows, and sporting events. By following these simple tips, you can save a lot of money as an international student. These are just a few of the ways that international students can save money. By being mindful of your spending and taking advantage of affordable options, you can make your student experience more enjoyable while keeping your budget in check. Hope you got some value. If so, make sure to subscribe to us for more videos and tap the bell icon to get notified with every new video from us. See you in the next video.